Knight.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै गुरुवे नमः. Why to play and create a fork?
Knight F7, sir. Knight
Allah
F7.
Allah.
Why to play and what?
Why to play and create a fork? Fork.
What's that?
Sir, Knight C6.
Fork
Knight
means
C6.
QF7.
Allah.
QF7.
Allah. Fork.
Knight movement.
What's four?
Night moment.
Sir, Knight G6.
Knight G6, correct. This is called fork now. Now queen. Now knight into rook. This is called fork. King and queen are attacked at single time. That is called fork. So that
Sir.
Yes, sir.
knight king moves, then knight into queen. So that
Yes, sir.
two pieces are attacked single time. That is called fork. Why create a fork?
Sir, Queen E4.
Queen E4.
Queen
Okay.
E4.
Queen to E4.
Knight G6. Knight G5. Knight G5.
Knight G5. Okay. Now king moves, then knight into queen. This is called fork. So that
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
black to play and win. Black to play and win. Bold. Black to play and win. Fork again.
Queen G1. Queen G1.
Queen G1. Okay. King into G1.
Sir, Knight E2. Knight E2.
NE2.
Knight to bishop. Knight to bishop.
Now
Bishop.
king, knight into queen. Correct.
Sir, bari ಮೂರೇ ಜನ.
ಮೂರೇ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಣ. Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Sir, Knight F2.
Black to play knight F2. Okay. Now king moves.
Pawn to queen.
Knight into queen first. Pawn to queen is not possible. Rook is pinned. Knight
to rook.
pawn to rook. Now pawn to queen. So that now you are one exchange of one rook versus one bishop. So that
Yes, sir.
black to play in fork.
Sir. Queen to. ಇಲ್ಲ sir. Bishop.
Knight
Bishop.
D3.
Knight D3.
Knight D3.
Bishop to soldier, sir.
Knight to pawn.
Bishop into soldier is correct. Now king into bishop ಮಾಡಿದೆ. King
in. Sir.
Knight G4. Sir, Knight G4.
Knight
Knight D4 correct.
NE4.
NE4 correct. NE4. Suppose queen kills ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Queen kill ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, sir, Knight D3.
Knight D3.
Correct.
Knight D3.
Now king comes here, knight into queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? White to play in fork. Suppose I'll flip the board. Play in fork.
Sir, Queen H1. Knight F7. Queen H1, Knight F7.
Queen H1, then king will kill the queen.
Sir, now Knight F7.
Then rook into queen.
Sir, then bishop to F7.
Then black is winning.
Sir, no. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, now, sir, Queen H7, Queen H8.
The king will kill the queen. That's wrong.
Sir, now bishop F7.
Allah kana.
Okay, sir. Sir, bishop
What
F7.
about bishop? Knight took.
Bishop F7 first. Now rook F7. Now queen H8. So that
Okay, sir.
now
Yes, sir.
knight into rook. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂಟು ರುಕ್, ರುಕ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿಷಪ್, ದೆನ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ನೈಟ್ f7, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸರ್ ಟೂ ನೈಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳು, ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳು. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ, ಅದು ಬರೀ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗೋದು, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್?
ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ವೈಟ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ನೈಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ವಿನ್, ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ವಿನ್.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1, ಕ್ವೀನ್ h8.
Knight f7.
Knight f7.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Knight f7.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ h8, ಕ್ವೀನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
h8.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ h8. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Rook to knight.
Rook to knight.
ನೈಟ್.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ರೂಕ್ e1.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ರುಕ್ ಕಣೋ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ರುಕ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ನೌ ನೈಟ್ 4,
ನೈಟ್ f7.
Now
Knight
knight
f7.
to pawn.
ನೈಟ್
f7. Yes.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ನೈಟ್
ಹಾ
ಇಂಟು
ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್.
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ d1.
d1. Rook into d1.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು g3.
Queen to g3. ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ.
Queen to pawn.
Queen to h.
Pawn.
Queen to
Queen
h2.
to pawn.
Queen to
Queen
pawn.
to pawn.
ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ನಾವು
The knight to if
ಅಲ್ಲ
e3.
ಅಲ್ಲ 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 ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1, ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಕ್ವೀನ್ h1.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Knight to e3.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್.
Queen
ಸರ್
to pawn.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ g3, ಕ್ವೀನ್ g3. ಸರ್
Queen
ಕ್ವೀನ್
G3.
g3, ಕ್ವೀನ್ g3.
Knight into
Queen
queen.
g3. Sir now
Now
knight e3, knight e3,
Now
knight
knight
e3,
e3.
Knight e3,
knight
correct.
e3.
Now king moves, then knight into queen. Correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂತು.
ಹೌದಾ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ ಇದೆ ಕಣೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿನ್.
Sir, NF. ಇಲ್ಲ sir. RD1. RD1.
King G2.
RG1.
RG1, okay. Now king into
F3, knight F3 sir, knight F3, knight F3.
Knight F3.
Knight F3. Correct. King moves, then knight into queen. Correct.
ಸರ್ ಏನೋ ಗೀಚ್ ಇದೆ.
ಬರೀತಿದ್ದಾನ ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬಿನ್.
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ g6.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Queen B2. Queen
ಅಲ್ಲ
B2.
ಅಲ್ಲ
ರೂಕ್ e5.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Queen D4. Queen
Allah.
D4.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. Queen
Rook to knight. Rook to
knight.
knight.
Okay. No, pawn to
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Queen
Queen F2.
Queen B2.
Queen
Queen
F2.
B2, sir.
Now king moves here.
Sir, knight G3.
Allah, kano queen movement kano.
Sir, Queen to
Queen
Queen to
Queen to
Sir, Queen E1. Queen E1.
rook into queen.
Sir, no, knight F2. Knight F2.
knight F2. Knight F2.
Correct. King move, then knight into queen. Godaita?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Queen C3.
White to play in win. White to play in win. White to play in win.
Sir, can you flip board?
That's just about.
Sir,
White to play.
QB8.
Allah, no.
Sir, I think pawn push to C8.
Then queen will kill the pawn. That is wrong.
Sir, knight F6.
Allah, Allah.
Queen C3.
Queen F4. Queen
Allah,
F4.
Allah. Should I tell?
Queen
Should I tell?
C3.
Should I tell?
Queen C3.
Allah, Allah.
Yes, sir. Sir, no, sir. Sir, wait, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir, wait.
Queen B8. Queen B8.
Allah, then king will come to D7. Adu tappu.
Okay. Queen. Sir,
NF6.
knight movement, queen movement.
Queen movement.
Queen B.
Sir, Queen C4.
Queen B7.
Queen C4 tappu kana. Kal tappu kana.
Queen
What
C3.
about Queen B8?
Allah, queen B8 to tappu.
Sir,
And king can
Sir,
go-
Queen B6.
Queen B5 correct. No? Now push queen check. King moves, then queen to pawn knight. King into the queen. Now knight 4. White, black queen, black resigns. So that
Why will black resign, sir?
knight hoitala, one piece down.
Yes, sir.
It is one piece up. ಈಗ ಪಿನ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಪಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Zugwang.
ದುಗ್ವಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಣ, ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ವಿನ್.
Sir,
Pin.
pin ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
Pin
Sir,
ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗ್ಲೇ pin ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿನ್ ಮಾಡು. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಪಿನ್.
Rook D7.
D7 correct. D7 pin. White to play in pin. Checkmate black.
Sir,
Sir, Bishop G6.
Bishop G6. Bishop G6.
Then further will kill the bishop. That is wrong.
Sir, Queen to G6.
Queen
Queen-
G6.
Queen D6, then pawn will kill the queen. That is also wrong.
Queen H6.
H6, then king will kill the queen.
Bishop to H8.
Allah.
Bishop F5. Bishop
Allah.
F5.
Queen moment.
Queen to knight.
Queen to
Sir.
knight. Correct.
Queen
Yes, sir.
H5, sir.
Queen to knight, sir.
Now king moves, then queen H8 checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
White to play in win.
Bishop to knight.
Sir. Rook D8.
Bishop
Sir,
to
Rook D8. Sir, Rook
Sir.
D8. Rook D8.
D8.
Rook D8.
King into D8, rook 8.
Sir, no, Queen to Queen. Queen to Queen. Queen to
Correct.
Queen. Queen to Queen.
Correct.
Sir, then Knight can kill.
Knight can kill.
White
Knight can't kill because it's absolute pin. It is absolute pin. Bishop has pinned it.
Sir, how, sir?
Bishop has pinned it, Kanu.
Oh
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Pinned.
Pinned, it is pinned.
Yes, sir. I thought it is wrong.
ಇನ್ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ sir.
White to play and win. White to play and win.
Rook c7.
Then rook will kill the queen. Rook will kill the rook. Or queen will kill the queen.
R8, sir. Sorry.
R8 is not
Sir,
possible.
bishop to e4. Bishop.
White to
Sir,
play.
rook to
White to
e4,
play.
rook
White
to
to play.
e4.
Rook to e4, then pawn, rook e4 is wrong. Then pawn will kill the rook. That is wrong.
Sir, R7.
R7 is
Sir,
wrong.
RB6. RB6. RB6.
RB6 is also wrong.
RP6.
It's wrong. RB6 is wrong.
RC7.
RC7 is also wrong.
Sir, queen to
Sir,
E4.
rook e7.
RE4.
Rook e7.
ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
Sir, what about
RE
rook e7?
rook e7 then king will kill the rook.
Sir, rook B8. Sir, rook B8. Rook B8.
B8 then
Rook B8.
queen will kill the queen. Queen will kill.
Sir, queen C6.
Queen c6
Sir,
then
rook
rook will kill the queen.
rook
That
to
is wrong. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡು
Sir, queen a6. Queen
Allah.
a6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ
Sir, queen to bishop.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ then pawn will kill the queen. You have to get a check queen or checkmate black. Best move for white.
Sir, RD7.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ then queen will kill the rook.
Sir, RC1. RC1.
RC1
Sir,
correct. Carry the rook.
rook to soldier.
Kaustup. Kaustup.
RC1 correct. Now king queen kills the queen. Now rook checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Queen
sir.
cannot kill the rook because it's absolute. Queen has to kill the queen. Now rook c1 checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
White to play and win. White to play and win.
Sir, queen C8.
White to play.
Queen G8. G7.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ
Sir, bishop C5.
Bishop
Bishop to g6.
Bishop
g7.
c5.
Bishop to
Now I will
g7.
move bishop here. What will you play? What will you play? Bishop here. I will play. What will you play?
Sir, queen F1. Queen F1.
Bishop to queen.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ bishop to queen is not possible. Bishop is
Sir,
pinned.
bishop to bishop. Bishop to bishop.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ ಎರಡೂ ಅಲ್ಲ. What is the best move for white in this position?
Sir, queen
Sir,
H.
queen f4. Queen
Queen
f4.
f4 is correct. Queen f4 is correct.
2F4. sir.
Now king move then queen to queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Bishop here. Queen comes here. Then king has to move. Then queen to queen.
Yes, sir.
Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Sir, can you flip board?
Okay. Black to play and win.
Bishop to soldier.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ Black to play.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir, queen to soldier.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ
G2.
king will kill the queen. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ
Sir, RG3.
RG3 correct.
Pin sir.
Correct.
Soldier.
ನಾವು ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
Queen to.
Queen to be.
Sir,
Queen
queen
to
to bishop.
Now whatever you do, it will be checkmate. Correct. So
Sir, problem ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
it's ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. White to play and win. White to play and win. I flip the board. White to play.
Sir, rook c8, rook c8.
Okay.
Rook C.
Now king h1.
Sir, rook h1, h8, h8, rook h8.
Now king into rook.
Sir, no, queen h6, queen h6.
Q H6, sir.
Now king g8.
Sir, Q
Sir,
H6.
queen g7, queen g7, queen g7.
Correct. White to play and win. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀರೇನೋ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ?
Sir, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ನಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ನೋಡ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಸರ್, q8.
ಅಲ್ಲ q8 ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Sir, bishop. Sir, bishop c6. Sir, bishop c6. Sir, bishop c6. Bishop c6.
ನಾವು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Sir, rook e8. Rook e8.
ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
Sir, bishop h7.
Sir, bishop c6. Bishop c6.
Bishop
Bishop
c6.
c6.
Now
Bishop
king into bishop, then rook into queen. Correct. White to play and win.
Okay, 6.
Allah, no.
Rook into soldier.
1 minute. I am 1 minute.
Okay, into bishop.
Akaligo. Daligo. Achilgo. Nagala. Date actually. That's good. Well, that's good. आप क्लास अंतर्श करता. That's good. Here, black to white to play and win. White to play and get a bishop up. 1 bishop free.
Rook to bishop.
Allah, no. Then king will kill the rook. Then it is a black will win. White to play and win.
Oh, it's r6.
Sir, rook ra6.
R6 also wrong.
Sir, pawn f4. Pawn f4.
Pawn
G7.
Pawn
Sir,
f4.
G7.
Pawn to pawn. Now what will you do?
G7.
Allah kado. G7. Then king will kill the rook. Kalba. He one more.
Then we can take the bishop.
How can you take the bishop? Rook is supporting the bishop.
Sir, rook b7.
Allah kado. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಪಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಪಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೋತೀಯಾ?
Sir,
pawn h4.
pawn H4.
Pawn h4. Now king moves, then rook into queen. Rook into pawn to rook. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir. Almost checkmate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Black to play and win. Flip the board. I'll flip the board. Black to play and win.
Sir, queen h7.
Queen h7. Now rook here. What will you do?
How can rook come there?
Rook here.
Okay. Sir, now.
Rook d1.
Sir, rook
Sir,
d1. Rook d1.
Rook
d1.
d1.
Now queen will come here. King will come here. What will you do?
Sir, no bishop.
Sir, bishop to gives
Sir,
to
queen
bishop.
h3. Sir,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
queen h3.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Queen
ಕ್ವೀನ್
h3.
ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಜಿ ಎಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
RH
Bishop
ಇಲ್ಲ
g2.
sir.
Bishop g2.
Sir,
Bishop
sir,
to
sir, rook h1.
Bishop
Sir, rook
G2.
h1. Sir, rook
Okay.
h1, queen h3. Rook h1, queen h3.
Correct.
Queen h3. Queen
Correct.
h3.
Now king d1.
Sir, queen g2.
Queen G2.
Queen g2 checkmate. Queen
Correct.
g2 checkmate.
Correct.
What if pawn kills queen?
It is not possible. It is absolute pin.
pinned.
Hey, this is absolute pin problem.
So king comes here. Pin rook. King kills rook into queen into rook. It is absolute pin. Soldier cannot kill it because it is absolute pin. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ ಪ್ರಥಮ್?
Oh, yes sir, yes sir. Bishop
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
White to plain win. White to plain win. We'll flip the board. White to plain win.
Sir,
Sir, why to play
N
Knight g5. Sir, knight g5.
NG5.
Knight g5.
Knight g5, then pawn to g5. What will you do?
QH3.
QH3. QH3.
QH3 ಅಲ್ಲ. Knight g5 ತಪ್ಪು.
Sir,
Knight
to g5.
Knight g5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ.
Sir, bishop to bishop.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir, knight h8. Knight h8.
RH5.
rh5. Okay. Now queen to queen. What will you do?
Sir, rook to
Bishop to
Knight.
bishop.
Night moment. Pin ಆಗಿದೆ.
Knight to
NG,
g5.
NG5.
Knight to g5.
Knight to g5. Okay. Now king moves here. One move checkmate. Can you tell?
Rook to
Sir,
pawn.
bishop.
Bishop to bishop. Bishop to bishop.
Rook
Rook
h6.
to
Sir,
h6.
rook
Okay,
h6.
okay,
Rook
okay.
h6.
Correct.
Rook
Correct.
h6. Sir.
Correct. Now bishop can't kill. King can't come here. Correct.
sir bishop ಯಾಕೆ kill ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
Bishop ಇಂದ pin ಆಗಿದೆ. b2 bishop ಇಂದ.
Sir ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ bishop.
White to plain win. White to plain win. White to plain win.
Sir, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನೀವ್
Queen
ಹೇಳು.
h3 ಅಲ್ಲ sir? Queen h3 ಅಲ್ಲ?
Queen h3.
Queen
Now I'll come. Now rook killing ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
Sir, now queen c8.
Queen c8. Now ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
Sir, now rook to rook.
Rook is not possible. Pin ಆಗಿದೆ.
Oh yeah.
Pawn-
Queen.
Pawn
Yeah,
to rook.
pawn to rook. Pawn to
Now
rook.
now show with black. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ
ಈಗ
ಮುಂಚೆ.
ಜುಗ್ವಾಂಗಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
White to plain jugwang. White to plain bin. White to plain bin.
Queen
Bishop
c6.
to soldier.
Queen
Allah,
c6.
Queen c6 knight will kill the queen. That is wrong. Jugwang.
Sir, knight e5.
Knight e5. Now bishop to queen.
Bishop to pawn.
Bishop
Sir,
to
bishop
pawn.
f7.
Bishop to pawn.
Bishop to
f7.
pawn.
Bishop f7.
Correct,
Bishop f7. Bishop f7.
This is just normal.
Black to plain bin. Black to plain bin. Black to plain bin.
BB8. RB8.
RB8 ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. Black to plain bin.
BE3.
Sir, rook b3.
Rook b1. Rook b1.
Rook b1 then king will
Sir,
come
rook
here.
b3. Rook b3.
Which rook?
Rook b.
Which rook?
Sir, the rook b2 to b3.
B2 to B3 is wrong. Rook This
B.
is correct. B8 to B3 is correct. Pawn to rook. Now what will you do? Now what will you do?
Yes,
Rook to
Rook to rook.
rook to
So
rook.
rook into rook. Now bishop into pawn. One
Sir, bishop E3.
Bishop into pawn.
bishop into pawn. Correct. King moves, then bishop into rook. Better?
Yes, sir. Advantage.
Advantage. White to plain win. White to plain win. I'll flip the board. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಕಣ ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
ಸರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ sir.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸರ್ rook E7.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Sir,
Bishop.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ rook into bishop ಅಲ್ಲ. Then queen into queen. Bishop move.
rook into pawn.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ
G8.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir, bishop C5. Bishop
Bishop
C5.
C5 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Bishop cannot. Bishop movement.
Bishop E8. Sir, Bishop E8.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. This bishop movement.
Sir, that's what Bishop E8.
Then queen will kill the bishop. What will you do? It is not advantage.
BD7.
BD7 is correct. So queen kills. Now what will you do?
RB6.
RG6 correct. No? RG. So rook kills, then pawn to queen to queen. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, rook B6 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
Rook P6 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಗೆದ್ದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡು ಬಿಷಪ್ D7 ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಷಪ್ D7 ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು D7. ನಾವು rook B6 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
Rook to rook.
Rook to rook, then king can go to G7. Black will win. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
White to play and win. White to play and win. I flip the white to play and win.
Sir, knight E7.
Knight E7, then rook into queen ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Rook to Bishop. Sir, rook to Bishop.
Rook to bishop.
Rook to Bishop. Key 7.
Queen into rook.
Now
Sir, knight D8.
to Queen.
Sir,
Knight to
bishop
Queen.
C5.
Knight into queen,
Sir,
then rook
bishop
into queen.
C5.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. rook into queen.
Bishop
Wrong.
C5. Sir, bishop C5. Sir, bishop C5. Bishop C5.
Bishop C5 is correct. Bishop C5 is correct. Bishop
Sir,
C4.
Sir, white bishop to C5.
Correct. Correct. Now whatever you do will be it will be rook up for black, queen up for black, or piece up. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು
Sir, pawn to bishop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ pawn to bishop
pawn to
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
bishop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ rook into queen. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. rook into queen. ಅಲ್ಲ knight. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಏನೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು. pawn to bishop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ rook into bishop. pawn to bishop, then rook into bishop. What will you do? Queen is trapped.
Queen will
trapped.
kill.
Queen will kill, then rook into queen.
I mean, you
Knight
knight into
Right into queen. Correct.
queen kills knight into queen.
Correct.
Kill ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಏನು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? Black to play and win. Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
Knight C6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. Black to play. I flip the board.
flip board ಮಾಡಿ.
Black to play and win.
Sir, bishop G2.
Bishop G2. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Kaustubh.
Now king into g2.
Now rook to queen.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, then rook into queen is there. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
Sir, rook
Sir,
g5, rook
Q
g5, rook
G5.
g5.
2g5.
Queen
G5.
Queen
Yes.
G5. Queen G5.
Now
Queen
king
G5.
moves. Now queen
Sir,
to
no,
queen.
rook to queen, rook
Now
to queen.
correct.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ rook to queen ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ದುವೆ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ಹೌದು correct. Black to plain win. Black to plain win. Black to
Pawn to F2. Pawn to F2.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, then white will win. Rook movement here. That is wrong. What will you play now?
How will white win?
No, what will you play? If black gets a queen, rook for skewer is there. That is why first move is wrong.
Sir, waiting move, sir.
Waiting move. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Bishop movement.
Sir, king.
Bishop movement. Bishop
king
movement.
e4.
Bishop movement. Bishop movement.
Bishop b1, bishop b1.
Bishop B1. Bishop
Now
B1.
here. Now here it is not possible. Now it is not possible. Rook kill king. king kill ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Now
ಸರ್
pawn.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
First time
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರುಕ್ ಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇ.
Sir, king e3.
ಕಿಂಗ್ e3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಿಂಗ್ e3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರುಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇಸ್
Sir,
ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್.
no. Sir, bishop b1, bishop b1.
ಬಿಷಪ್ b1 ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಕಣೋ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್
ಈಗ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಾಪಬಲ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಚೆಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಬಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಮಂತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಮೂರ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ನಾಮ್ನೆ ಪುರುಷ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ನಮ್ಮ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸು?
Sir, ತುಂಬಾ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ